Dear all, there are some bonds that wither away with time, but there are others, more time-honored ones, that grow only stronger with the passing decades. Not only do they become stronger, but they take on a new depth and new meaning for new generations. Such a one is the bond that the modern school community feels for Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore. The genesis of this connection was that day in 1936 when Tagore visited our school. It was a different India then, not yet free, but one in which there was a glimmer of the future, of a new way of thinking about our nationhood and evolving a new way of connecting our glorious past with the future that awaited us. This is an India in which our tradition and the strength of our civilization segged into modernity. Now, 75 years later, the time has come to renew that vision and ensure that a new generation become the torchbearers. To rediscover these roots, some of our students and faculty traveled to Tagore's birthplace and Shantiniketan. What we saw reinforced our feelings about his vision for education and about life itself. This vision was shared by Tagore and by the founder of our institution, Lala Raghuveer Singh. Through this film that our students have made, we hope to bring alive that vision. This is my message to the coming generations.
At Jorashankar Thakurbadi, the birthplace of Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore, the preparations for Basant Utsav are in full swing. A play is being put up by volunteers to pay their respects to Gurudev.
কোটা লাগছে ওকে একবার জিজ্ঞেস করে দেখতে পারো আমি পথের খবর জানি আর ও কোচিংয়ের খবর জানি হ্যাঁ ওই তো কোটা লাগছে হ্যাঁ কোটাল ওহে ও কোটাল কোটাল
In Shantiniketan, Vishwabharati University, which was founded by Gurudev, is amongst the premier cultural studies universities not only in India but in the world. We spoke to the Vice Chancellor of Vishwabharati, Mr. Uday Narayan, about his vision of Gurudev's legacy.
Anyone who does writing of any sort draws inspiration heavily from somebody who's done so much of writing. It's about, could be 50,000 pages of writing. Can you imagine that there are no computers, that there are no internets, when there is nothing which you can cut and paste, which you can have. Actually, everything you must handwrite. He wrote and wrote and rewrote, because there are plays like Okta Korobi, The Red All India, which he has written 11 times. There are plays like Taputi Raja. Each one of these, he would have written about 13 times, 10 times. So you can imagine, he would be so careful about each version of his text. So there is so much to learn from him.
Kala Bhavan, the School for Fine Arts and Crafts, is still considered amongst the best art schools of the world. It exhibits the art of famous artists affiliated to it, like Nandalal Bose and Somnath Hore, as well as the creations of its students. Interestingly, Shantiniketan was home to renowned sculptor Ram Kinkar Baij, who was once a guru in our own school. Now, our reception houses Saraswati, one of his famous creations. We found the perfect resource for information about the life of Gurudev, Ms. Sudarshana, a fourth-generation inhabitant of Shantiniketan, who has grown up with the teachings of Gurudev.
And Shamoli has got a very interesting history, that it's created with coal tar and mud, mixing these two things. And afterwards, then after Shamoli, this house, that is, this is Punoshcho, because Tagore thought this would be his last house. But again Punoshcho was made, that's why Punoshcho means again. But there also some of the practical problems started. So after this house, this is Udichi.
Patra Bhavan, the on-campus school, is testimony to the idea that a school can be based on tradition and work on modernity, very much like our own school does. The classes here start at 6 in the morning, before even the sun has had a chance to settle itself into the sky. This is necessary because the classes are held in vast open grounds under the shade of trees. The students sit amongst nature and learn with and from it, just like Gurudev once envisioned. The principal of this school has a few words to say about her school and its philosophy.
So ma'am, how do you ensure that there is a balance between this, simplistic, joy-centric, nature-centric learning and the sort of modernistic learning which is emerging in many other schools around the country these days?
I believe that there is a contradiction. Okay? Because the question comes down to strengthening your inner self. Once that is ensured, you are ready to face anything in the world, any sort of environment, be it competitive, be it hostile, or be it friendly. So it's actually the question of strengthening your inner self, gaining self-confidence, and having faith in what you do. So once that is instilled in a child, he is ready to face the world.
Over at Sangeet Bhavan, the university students are diligently rehearsing the ballet Chitrangada, a Tagorean dance drama based on the Mahabharata story about Arjun and Princess Chitrangada of Manipur.
When I was in class 6, I was very influenced when I heard about this university. So from kids, it was my dream to come here.
Oh, okay.
So we are very influenced by Tagore, and this is the first university where Manipuri dance facilities is open here.
Oh, okay.
Means more earlier than Manipur University. So we come here just to study Manipuri dance and other dance form of Tagore, especially Rabindra Nitya, the one we are going to do tomorrow night.
The most moving fact about the legacy of Tagore is how much it affects the common man. Gurudev is everywhere.
উনি রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুরকে ডান্স শোনাতেন। ওনার নাম ছিল গৌর, ওনার নাম দিয়েছিলেন পাগল বাউল।
পাগল বাউল। আর এমনিতে ধরেন আপনি যে এই আবহাওয়াতে তো বড় হয়েছেন, দেখেছেন, তো আপনি রবীন্দ্রনাথের নৃত্য, নাটিকা, গান এগুলো শোনেন আপনারা? হ্যাঁ,
ধরুন যেটা রবীন্দ্রনাথ স্টার্টিং করেছিলেন, যেটা আমার জ্ঞান অবস্থা যেগুলো দেখেছি, সেইগুলি এখন অনেকটাই নেই।
হ্যাঁ, কিন্তু আপনি যেগুলো দেখেছেন সেইগুলো
এটা তো ধরুন উনি বাস্তবকে নিয়ে যা করেছেন, নাটক, থিয়েটার যা করেছেন, মানে বাস্তব জিনিসটাকে নিয়েই করেছেন।
আচ্ছা, যেটা আপনি দেখেছেন যেসব মানুষের মধ্যে, সেসবগুলোকে উনি তৈরি করেছেন। আচ্ছা, আর রবীন্দ্রনাথকে আপনারা কিভাবে ভাবেন?
ঠাকুর
কিভাবে
ঈশ্বর
ঈশ্বর
হ্যাঁ, নিশ্চয়ই।
ভগবান ঈশ্বর
হ্যাঁ,
তো?
নিশ্চয়ই।
প্রণাম করে
হ্যাঁ।
কেমন করে
তাহলে
প্রণাম
প্রণাম
করেন না প্রণামটা
এটা
দেখান।
করি ধরুন আপাতত ধরুন এই যে আপনার যে স্বাধীনতাটা দেখেছেন তো এটা হচ্ছে ওনার বাবার দেখা
হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ স্বাধীনতাটা যে বেদিতে আছে আমি যতবার যাওয়া আসা করি ততবার ওনাকে স্মরণ করি।
আচ্ছা
কিন্তু যারা চাকরি করছে তারা
তাদের
ভুলে
কতবার?
না সেটাও আমার বড় দরকার আছে তারা
তাদের
কোনো
তো আমি
স্মরণ করে
যাচ্ছি
না।
না, আমরা চাচ্ছি যে
হ্যাঁ আমি
এইখানে
দীর্ঘদিন-
মানুষের মধ্যে উনি কিভাবে
হ্যাঁ।
যারা বাইরে থেকে এসে দেখুন-
ঈশ্বর মানে একদম যেমন বাংলা যাকে বলে ভগবান
ভগবান হ্যাঁ এইটাই তো সে যেমন আমরা দূরে থাকি আমরা সেখানে রবীন্দ্রনাথকে প্রণাম
হ্যাঁ নিশ্চয়ই আমি তো ডেলি করি
হ্যাঁ সেটাই
একদম
হ্যাঁ
মানে অন্য কেউ করুক না করুক আমার থেকে তো আমি প্রত্যেকদিনই করি যতবার ওই রাস্তায় যাওয়া আসা করি ততবারই মাথা নিচু করি যে ঠাকুর তুমি তোমার আশ্রমটা দেবে
আশ্রম থেকে বাঁচিয়ে
বাঁচিয়ে দেবে। এটা আমার
তুমি হচ্ছে তোমার স্বীকৃতি তোমার ভালো পুণ্য
সৎভাবে-
এটাই হয়তো এ থেকে বাঁচিয়ে দেবে পুরুষ। যতই বিপদ আসুক
উনি উদ্ধার
তাই উদ্ধার করবে।
Gurudev's omnipresence is evident. Even the tribal Santali dancers are celebrating his coming anniversary. Basant Utsav celebrations are heavy with tradition. School children come dancing from their dormitories to the stage and perform a variety of songs and dances, most of which are drawn from Rabindra Sangeet and Rabindra Nritya. Traveling to Shanti Niketan changed all of us.
The art and spirituality which surrounded us in Shanti Niketan inspired us not only to learn from our books but to learn from our surroundings as well.
I think it was very interesting for all of us to learn first hand from Gurudev, like about Gurudev from the people who have been carrying his legacy forward all these years.
I feel that the experience has enriched us culturally, spiritually and intellectually as well.
I feel a huge connection to the place, and at the end of our journey, it felt like home.
Where the mind is without fear and the head is held high was the first thing that came into my mind on reaching Shantiniketan. The experience revives in me the true art form of Gurudev in reality.
I think that traveling to Shanti Niketan and learning so much more about Gurudev Rabindranath Tagore really broadened all our horizons, and it certainly sensitized me towards my own culture a lot more.